please explain to a lot of people, because some people may be new houseplant owners or maybe
Mhm.
new, container gardeners or whatever it is.
Mhm.
One of the biggest questions I get asked is, what's the difference between dirt and soil?
Mhm.
Can
Mhm.
you explain that?
Yeah, yeah, for sure. Because we all grow up with these words and but the way I always talk about it is kind of like, okay, so dirt is the stuff underneath your nails after a good time gardening, right? And dirt is the stuff that you tracked into the house on your shoes, and mom or grandma or whatever would yell at you for that, right? That's like kind of like so soil. So when I talk about soil, I mean I'm talking about the soil that is outside in the ground in our gardens, and that soil, which is it's everywhere. That soil has minerals in it, right? So it's sand, silt, and clay. So those are all rocks essentially, different sizes, but sand, silt, and clay in soil. And then the other stuff that it's in soil is just water, airspace, and organic matter. Okay, so the organic matter, you can see that in a topsoil based on how dark the topsoil is, right? The darker the topsoil, the more organic matter is present there. And the opposite is true too. Like sandy soil near the beach doesn't have a ton of organic matter in it generally.